Hello there, welcome to my channel. I'm Angela from artery.com. I have a couple of little crafting hauls today, but after this video I've decided I'm going to stop showing and start doing. So the first package is from Crafter's Companion. Now not so long back Crafter's Companion had an offer where you could buy 10 dies for £10 and I got an absolute ton of them because it was so cheap. This time they had another offer where it was 10 stamps for £10. So let's have a look and see what I got, because of course I can't remember. Nice sentiment set. I really like my sentiments, and that's a nice "You're the Sweetest" accessories. That's nice because I do have cake stamps and things to go with that. Oh, just peeking in to say hello. That's cute, isn't it? I really like that. What's this? Fantastic fuchsias. Is that how you pronounce it? Fuchsias. I'm not a gardening person. But that's kind of what you can do with them. Very nice. You can use whatever colours you like, I suppose. I don't know what fuchsias are, what colour they should be, but in your own head it doesn't matter, does it? Just use your imagination and go wild. Oh yes, butterflies. Kind of layering stamps, so you could do it either way. But that one goes with that one, so you possibly stamp that one first and then that one. That one and that one. Yeah, I like that. I really like these because it doesn't take much to get them to look really nice. I do like layering stamps. What do we have? Enchanted Ocean. That's really nice as well. All about mermaids. How cute. And some more butterflies. The acrylic stamp set. Beautiful. And really, really nice. That would make a beautiful card background with that. Yeah, lovely. I do remember buying that one. And another layering stamp set. I don't know what that is. Yeah, I suppose all of these will go together somehow. Maybe not. Or maybe that one goes with that one. That one and that one perhaps. Oh well, I'm sure I'll have fun finding out. Busy camping accessories, because I do have a camping stamp and die set, but the sentiments are a little bit, well, you don't get many of them and they all look the same, but these are really nice. I love adventure. Home is where you park it. I really like that. If someone's going off on the travels in a caravan, that would make a nice card for them. You are a superstar. Shoot for the moon. Even if you miss, you'll land among the stars. That's lovely, isn't it? Very nice. And quite a few there, if you can see those. And this is the last one. Yes, that's the last one. You grow, girl. Like that. So it looks as though, I don't know if you get the tree with it. What's that doing on there? I don't know if you get the tree with it, but those are the sentiments. Very nice. Now this is another one from Temu. Is it from Temu? I think so. I have no idea what's in it. Oh, I think I'll put some pyjamas in there. Oh yes. When I made my wax seal video not so long back, I said that I was doing some some seals for my sister's wedding stationery, and she likes purple for them, so there's not going to be enough here to make all of them, but it's a good start. I can always send off for more. But that's their beautiful colour. Really nice colour, purple. That's gorgeous. Oh yes, I will have enough because I bought more. Do you know, I have a memory like a sieve. Can't even remember. I remember buying some, but I can't remember buying. So I must have gone a bit mad with all of the waxing stuff. Brilliant. This is great because I am going to have enough. And whatever I don't use, I can always stamp seals and sell them. Put them on the website. Yes, I did have some of these. but they went walkabout. Just some little kind of clear raindrop beads, like decorations. I remember where I got that for. And of course, another stamp and die set. As I've said many a time, I can't have enough sentiments. Oh yes, I did have one of these from Temu, but it was a bit small, so I got a bit of a larger one just for my card making, so that's going to come in handy. Just a little grip mat, and a lovely little butterfly seal. I am going to be doing another wax seal video, and when you've created your waxed seals, you can put these on. There are different ways to adhere them, but you can put these on the back, and then people can you can sell them, send them to people, make them in advance, peel these, put it on the back of your seal. Hang on, I'll just pinch one here. I've just been practicing, so don't laugh. So you take your seal, put one of those on the back, and then whoever you send it to can just peel it off and just stick it on the envelope. So that's pretty good. And I'm not showing you the rest because they're my pyjamas and I don't want you laughing at the size of them. Right, so as I've said, I am going to be doing more than showing over the next few weeks. I can't do much crafting at the moment because this craft room is the spare bedroom and it's quite small, and I'm in the middle of trying to get a giant wardrobe set up, which is going to take up half the room, but it will give me a little bit more storage. But at the moment, because that's in the way, there's stuff everywhere, boxes and bags and paper packs just everywhere, all over the floor. So I thought what I would do, just to keep up with my video uploading, I would just upload another unpacking video. But it's just to let you know that instead of keep showing unboxing videos, what I'm going to do is I'm going to start a new series called Something Old, Something New. So it's not, those videos aren't going to be consecutive. I will be doing other things in between. But for the Something Old, Something New series, what I'll be doing is using my old items that I've either not used or only used once or twice. So for instance, old dies, old stamp sets, things that I've never used, things that I don't know how to use basically, and making a project, and then in the same video making a project using all of this wonderful new stuff that I've been buying over the past few weeks. So something old, something new. I did have a go at something new. Didn't really work out because I think I need to look at a video on how to do this, because it did kind of work. I mean, you've got your little duck there, sort of suspended in midair, but I don't think I read the instructions properly, because I mean, I haven't finished it yet, there's no sentiments or anything on, because when it's closed like that you're going to be able to see what's written inside. So I'm not sure if there's a way around that. So like I say, I didn't really look, I just had to go to see if I could do all of this part. But that was one of the new stamp and die sets anyway. So what I'm going to do is just get out something new, just pick something at random, something simple at first, hopefully, and then have a go just to see what I come up with. So like I say, each video for my something old, something new will have probably a card, a project using old supplies and a one using new supplies. I don't know if that will be of interest to anybody, if you'll be interested in seeing that, but somebody did mention on one of my other videos that they like the look of some of the dies that I've had for a long time anyway, some of my old dies. So that's something I can do anyway. So hopefully that will be of interest to somebody. I do have another waxing video coming up, and as slowly plodding towards my 1,000 subscriber base, and once I do, I'll start having giveaways, because I am so grateful to all of my subscribers, and I think you all deserve a chance to win something nice. So that's something else to look forward to. But in the meantime, I really appreciate you watching. I hope you think the video idea is a good one. Let me know what you think in the comments. Don't forget to click that subscribe button and the notification bell to get notified when I upload any more new videos. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye bye now.